Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming network parity. Make sure your Android phone and smart TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and band. Next, enable the TV side remote or network control option in settings so the TV accepts app connections. Then, install the TV manufacturer app or Google TV/SmartThings on your phone. Once done, open the app and grant permission requests for local network and Bluetooth. These allow discovery. You're now ready to search for your TV from the phone app. Once the app discovers your TV, tap the TV name and follow the pairing prompt. Enter a PIN shown on the TV or scan a QR code if provided. Make sure you accept on-screen prompts and allow media and remote control permissions so your phone can send commands and text. After pairing, configure the control layout to include D-pad navigation, keyboard input, and voice control if supported. You can also create shortcuts for streaming apps to speed navigation. This sets up reliable app control and typing from your phone. Now test everything. Navigate menus, type with the phone keyboard, cast media, and try voice commands. Verify volume and input changes respond. If you plan long sessions, enable the app's keep awake setting or exempt it from battery optimization so the connection doesn't drop. Once satisfied, pin the app or add a home shortcut for quick access. If pairing fails, reboot the TV and phone, confirm the router's client isolation is off, and try pairing again. That resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.